She sees him now.
Oh, Tia.
You're not going after him. You're fine.
Happy little doggies like to do things. Happy little doggies like to do things. Going out and having fun, making friends with everyone. Happy little doggies like to do things. Hi, Dale here. And I'm doing a 1 year recap. Well, it's been about a year since I started all this. I'm gonna do a little recap. We're gonna talk about stuff that happened, stuff that's going on, and maybe some stuff that's gonna be coming up. As you see, I do almost all the music to my videos. Guitar, mandolin, harmonica. Happy little doggies like to do things. Keyboard, which is basically just pressing a button. I know chords, so it's a little easy. The dogs have lots of fun making the videos too. They do love to do things, and they do love going places. They are traveling dogs, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I did most of the music, except I cheated a little bit because I needed something that sounded like drums for when we went to the fort. But other than that, it's all me, so I don't get copyright strikes. I did get one copyright, but it said that it's not going to affect my video because it was like Count Basie playing in the background when we were up at the Hoot and Howl with that big silver Spartan thing, camper. So that was the only one I got a strike on. They started out striking me and I fought back. I said, hey, it's 3 random chords and the song I wrote myself. So I beat the bots. But anyway, we're going to take a little walk down the street. It's a gorgeous evening. Okay, we're going to take a little walk while we chat about what's been going on and what's gonna go on, and a little back story about a few things. Here we go. Yeah, there's still some snow around. This past storm was pretty bad. Took down a lot of trees, a lot of branches. Got a big yard cleanup coming up this spring. Right, guys? Oh, here we go, round and round, and I am tied up. Yeah. So it seems like just yesterday when I started this little adventure. Why am I doing it? I just love making videos. I think it's a lot of fun. Get to go places and see things, have a memory of it, and show everybody else. One of these days, if I ever get monetized, I would like to give it to charities for animals. I'm hoping to do some like visits and things with the dogs to different shelters and stuff in the future. I got some ideas brewing about where to take the channel and what to do. But in the meantime, I like just having a little story to tell about places and things. So times they are a-changing. There used to be sheep here. They still have the llamas, but the sheep are gone. I'm not sure why. I'm sure it's a lot of work. Just like these two. If you've been following us for a while, we go to a lot of beaches because Tia loves to swim. So I always try to go where there's water so she can take a little dip. And I love water too. We did not have a good trip to Salisbury, which is really my favorite place to go because you got electric and water on site and it's relatively cheap. And you're right on the beach, basically. Oops, here comes another car. Of course, they can't go on the main beach, but they can go on the river. And so it happened while we were there that all those sewage plants overflowed. So we couldn't go in the water, and it must have been 100 degrees. I was so miserable. I just packed it up and went home. But then later in October, we had a great time going to the Hoot and Howl with the Salisbury Vintage Campers group. That was really a lot of fun. And the weather was nice. That was a really good time. I love going places with my friend John. He's so funny. And those animals, they're so adorable. I used to have a lot of animals like that too, but I didn't take them camping. I had 2 birds, 2 snakes, a rabbit, and the 2 dogs at one time. I didn't have any cats at the time. I had given up on cats because I lost a couple. Whoops. When we first moved out here, I had 2 cats, and one of them, I think a coyote got it, and the other one got a urinary tract blockage, and I had him put to sleep. So I decided no more cats until I got ridiculously overrun with mice, and I got Melody. And as it so happens, poor Melody, I had to put her down in October. I try to keep it light on the videos, light and happy and cute, but it was a very sad time. And I also lost the rabbit back in May, and one of the snakes. I did not have much luck with animals and pets last year. In fact, Bonnie has kidney disease. She's in great shape, but she's almost 14 years old, and they don't live forever. And then again, neither do people. This pretty little cemetery's at the end of not at the end of my street, but not far away. That's why I want to retire next year, because life's too short. I'm not sure how to get by, but we'll find a way. And so, just like that, we're at what I call the corner. It's the crossroads, and I'm always at the crossroads. Gosh, it's been quite a journey. Not over yet, a little more to go. And then the trip to Vermont. Oh, that was so much fun. That was so gorgeous. I'm telling you. it really made me want to go out and try to go to new places and see new things. I thought it would be kind of fun. I was watching a silly video on the lake monster, and I thought, oh, that's not too far, and that would make for some really cute video. And I'm not very good at animation or anything, but I think they came out kind of good. I loved it there, and I do want to go back one of these days. The Adirondacks was so beautiful. And Vermont, even the Green Mountains. The trip, it was 4.5 hours, but it just flew by because it was so, so beautiful. So where should we head this year? Oh, I've had such cabin fever and so depressed. It's just hasn't been a bad winter. It's just been a boring winter, and I don't like winter. I follow a lot of older ladies like me that go boondocking and camping in their vans down in Florida and Arizona, and oh, I so want to go there and see all that stuff. Oh, here comes a motorcycle. Tia does not like me. It's okay, baby. That's a good girl. It's just a little rice burner. I think the Harleys freak her out a lot more. They're very loud. And she's a puller anyways. Oh, now she's gonna pull. So anyway, I think, and this is what I'm tentatively planning, we'll see if it pans out, is to go take a couple weeks off and go to the Maine coast. I want to go up to, calm down. I want to go up to Acadia National Park. I got my park pass. I ordered it. Well, I don't got it yet, but I'm getting it. And Bar Harbor, and want to go a little further north. There's a little town called Lubec. That looks really cute and peaceful. People keep seeing me with the camera and wondering what's going on. Oh, there's the motorcycle at the new house. That's cool. Hopefully they're nice people. We don't see our people anyways. We live too far apart. But yeah, Lubec, Maine, and then head back down. Maybe stop over a night or two in Kennebunk or around that area. Yeah, I think that'll be fun. And I'll get some great film. Oh, Tia, calm down. So if that pans out, that should be a good long trip. That will be our big trip. Not sure where else. I was planning to go to Finger Lakes and meet my friends, but that's still up in the air too. Will you stop pulling, please? I'm losing my arm. All right, we got the cars coming both ways. Yeah, that's the problem on this country roads. Sure is pretty though. It's my own front yard, across from my front yard. Anyway, so this Maine, and I don't know, I'll think of something. There are so many places to go. I'm so hoping to get down to a meetup in Florida or somewhere with a group of crazy old women like me who love to go out and travel and just be human. Don't worry, we're home. Going up the driveway from HE Double Toothpick, since I want to keep it clean on this channel. Yeah. I'm getting old. It's getting harder and harder to clean this thing up. But anyway, so hope you enjoyed our videos. I'm gonna try to sneak some little trips in between our big one, get some more footage, and maybe see a little bit of Worcester or something cool in the surrounding towns. But anyway, signing off for now. We'll see you down. Well, someone else says see you down the road. I need a slogan too. I'll think of one. Bye for now. What's to eat? It's time for dinner. Who's hungry? Look at you guys. Look at you. You hungry? You want to eat? Yeah. Where's Tia? Oh, my sweetness. Good girl. Say bye, Tia. Bye, Tia.